Hello, thank you for joining me. This is a quick tutorial on a way to get into your feet using a pole. So you're going to begin facing the pole. You're going to set yourself up so that your heels turn in a little bit, and I want you to lift your heels a few times, alternating, pedaling your feet, one foot and then the other. As you do that, feel the weight transfer into the ball of your foot. Once you have that, you're going to take hold of the pole. You're going to pull the pole up. So it's like I'm trying to pull the pole out of the ground. As I do that, I'm going to squat down a little bit. I'm going to keep this action of pulling the pole up. I'm going to lift one foot off the ground. I'm going to see, and then I'll lift the other foot off the ground. If I can do this in such a way that I'm putting pressure through the ball of my foot. And go ahead and relax. You might notice that I was rotating the pole as I was pulling up. That is a great way to get a little more compression and strength into your whole torso so that the weight can go down into the ball of your foot. So give that a try and see how it goes. Thank you.